And actually, for us, for a long while, like a friend. However, some of you marking our official debut in the residential energy storage industry. For last year, we also launched our first system, and it is to provide and to enhance.
So guys, are you guys ready to power a new world? So like Sharon explained earlier, power a new world isn't just text that you see on the screen.
That passport. So happy stamping, everybody. And while we're doing the stamping, of course, we're going to be enjoying some music, some live music.
Panel niya. warm up, warm up, warm up. Ang daming warm up. Wow, that's oh. Wow. Warm up. One more, Sir Ray. We can do this. Ito na yan, Sir Ray. Kaya na yan. Oh!
We're taking home an EcoFlow camping chair. Okay, so let's find out who the best. And of course, the new ultimate power solution, the EcoFlow River 3 Power Station. There you have it. And now, you gotta make sure those passports are ready because we are about to draw the winners. And remember, the more engaged you bid for our stations, the better chances you have at winning all our prizes. So let's keep the excitement going and good luck to everybody. So may you please have the fishbowl of our winner. Okay, first up, the prize is for the EcoFlow Rapid Magnetic Power Bank. And we are drawing, okay, so as you can see, it is randomized. The winner of the EcoFlow Rapid Magnetic Power Bank is none other than Richmond from Hardtech. 65 watts gone charger is none other than Mike Soon. Congratulations, Mike Soon, already in front, ready to grab his new prize. Make some noise. Who here wants to win our power station? Make some noise. And the winner of our EcoFlow River 3 Power Station is none other than Raymond from Photoline. Congratulations, Raymond. You are the winner of a brand new EcoFlow River 3 Power Station. Let's give it up for our raffle winners, ladies and gentlemen.
David and Steph. Of course, we really believe in the power a new world. So we really believe in the brand EcoFlow. That's why since the time that we got the brand, we really push it. And still, we hope that you also believe in us, in our products, to continue to support us. This is just the beginning of powering a new world this 2025. So thank you very much again for everyone who went here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And for the leaders, please order more. Thank you.
EcoFlow on Instagram at EcoFlow_Distributor Philippines, and on TikTok that is at EcoFlow Philippines. And to everybody, you get to take home a goodie bag.
Sige mga, bye-bye! Thank you, EcoFlow! Okay, bye-bye! Okay, sige. Thank you!